Hi viewers, welcome to another exciting video of Asian flavors. Today I am making a very delicious recipe. It is chicken boneless makhani handi. It is very famous in our Asian cuisine and most popular in restaurants. And this recipe is a 100% restaurant style recipe. It is very famous because of its buttery, creamy texture of the gravy. Do follow all the tips and tricks in the video, but first kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to stay connected. So let's start with the ingredients. For chicken boneless makhani handi, I have taken boneless chicken. It is about 500 grams and it is cut into cubes. And these are medium sized cubes. With that, I have taken one large size onion. It is very finely chopped. I have taken quarter cup of oil, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon heaped tomato paste, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half cup of yogurt, few slices of julienne cut ginger for the garnishing, and red chili slices. This is red chili powder and 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon salt. Please adjust the spice level accordingly. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon it is half teaspoon garam masala or mixed spice powder, 1 teaspoon fenugreek leaves, and 1 teaspoon cumin roasted and crushed. And with that I am using this is Tetra Pak cream and it is 4 tablespoon heaped. So let's start with the marination first. For marination, I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste in the chicken. This step is really important. Do marinate the chicken. And I'm adding all the dry spices, half cup of yogurt, now mix it properly so the marination and all the spices will cover the chicken, and leave it for about half an hour. Here heat up the pan, add oil. I'm adding oil because if I'll add the butter first it will burn, so I'm adding oil first, then I'm adding this 4 tablespoon of butter. It gives a very good flavor in the dish. Now add finely chopped onion, and we'll fry this onion until it is light pink. We won't take it to like light brown. It will change the color of the gravy and the taste as well. So keep stirring. You can see the onion has changed its color. Now it's time to add the marinated chicken. Now mix it properly. Now I will cover the chicken for about 8 to 10 minutes. So it will help it to cook properly. Chicken don't need much time to cook. You can see a lot of water in the gravy because of yogurt and chicken. Now let's cover it for about 8 to 10 minutes. I have removed the lid and you can see all the water has evaporated. Now it's time to add tomato paste. If you don't have a tomato paste, you can add 2 medium-sized tomatoes and blend it in your blender. Here it is. Here I'm adding tomato paste. I'll add a bit of water because it is a concentrated paste. It needs a bit of moisture in the gravy. So let's cook it now. Give it good 30-40 seconds. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin. It is dry roasted and crushed. It gives a very good flavor to the gravy. Mix it well. Now add little bit of water as per your requirement, that how much gravy you want in this dish. I have added half cup of water. Now I'm adding cream. It is 4 tablespoons. Give it a good mix. You can add much, but I think this is the right quantity of the cream. It is a very quick recipe. Mix it well. Now I'll add black pepper, whole spice powder and fenugreek leaves for the final touch. Give it a good stir. And then I'll leave it for about 4 to 5 minutes on a very low heat. It surely looks beautiful. So time is here. Let's check. Wow, you can see it's creamy buttery gravy. It looks absolutely delicious. So let's dish it out. I'm serving it in a clay bowl. Do make this recipe. It is just like a restaurant. Enjoy restaurant style dishes at your home. Now let's garnish it with 1 tablespoon of butter. Add as much butter as you want. Few slices of julienne cut ginger. It goes very perfect with the dish. And I'm adding green and red chili both just to add a color. It looks beautiful. And here's some leaves of fresh coriander. So friends, do try this recipe and I'll be looking forward to your feedback in the comment section. I'll be waiting for it. Let's meet up in the new video. Bye.